on be aduane ye ntuaka ya ye nipa so ne de na kwotena o no what titi sika no so che your friend say say ko it controversy she buffer stock go for ye aduane cotton aduane they will not be paid go for be they've abandoned, they've left their money and for kake so enti e o say exercise yesu ban say niema ye a yehu ye no senka ye disuban pa ene akoma pa ene party ni ho do na ye ya we will never lose these elections. But be a CEO ejuma 200 bar because of person or constituency because contest no the best is 290 echo one constituency no akoma penny bi and sign 9 na chese penny bi say was spread way contract never ba na nipa ba ko wafa ni nyina dey yakra no asan ja ba na yire onu so afebi onu so form company you all those times you ba power for go for me be in the store no ma ko na say hey wodjuma o ye no nya me no na ye wodjuma nti me djuma me ye membe mu kura. These are experiences yenya ye deliver back to streamline but yes sister na ye hu say party no so esen ye nyina na obi say nyame ampata na me lose so my strategy you see sometimes it depends on the leadership. Some me say party John Boy do a big my party 2024 campaign no said I'm committees are taking ya fa ba kra ma nti we ende nti because siga ho nkakra no e ho na me yes so SOEs no yanya omo documentary ne nema na me ye no a omo amenya sika kakra de support but there's nothing that unto me nko bi so say what does you over anything some me wo na ye take committees me campaign committee in the see me aid to the presidential candidate some the role they say me it very depending on how me to me and fact me home is shared by force sir so the which but so the national chairman for instance always was calling me, he's been to my house several times and then some of the other people but others will decide not to talk to you as if say you winning power now they go see you but yeah winning power na mumu bi nye adwuma ye ya musumo timi better than national officers so on the that is the problem of the party. I think that is important we look at it the elections should be data driven into research and election they will strengthen it me time they research and election committees about party and election officers very important so they're making as I speak now I've done analysis of the constituencies and targeting of constituencies between winning criteria me use my na mitifie so mama yaye ama me nti me find the document I know everything about what to do with a constituency how dynamics and all that on the agency and all the idea will continue to because me can say 2024 na the data be up I'm sharing yes see we need 145 constituencies we try best 50 say we into winning we best 50 it's not just a resource by me and one because there are a lot of dynamics and network ground that into me and and I know that politics is science and magic. But cannot compensate for laziness and without using data to drive your campaign. You see, a Jumadini here, Mpaibono so a first class also, but Ubon Pie and Campire Qua victory and Kamalams never welcome. You understand? But Malams in far welcome. It's not just a hard work ehia nti and hard work no we must count as well now camp on about say me be chairman na obi oben me bibi ni a me na me dwuma here no nti na sometimes you know because me share code facts and data and I'm there me share the pen nti me tia on now sometimes I say me tia na no so na yo ya na ka aje na ema edwuma no to me koso since me tia on now so because so ben nti we here na edwuma no affect edwuma nti I no dey take it from me nya ebusuasem nya madam for sem nya enuasem if the decision must be X in favor of the party I will take it me chiro decisions we am take here no and a man nya 137 in the year 2020 krana ebe o mama yes anka will have lost the elections in 2020 well you be on your polling station elections but as na just going to your 169 and the bar 137 now 122 na me dey ba 169 I know dey well o dey anu ba ji post di we ne dey anu dey wanka you know nti yankasa na ye wo ye ho ase na NDC as educate ya we lose 2016 lose 2020 omo bo na baso mo e ma ni national chairman na o dia o we ni 2016 we ni 2021 no dey also got happy o got here o say we lose the strategy. That strategy we nya whatever. As obia o kwa sorry. Na kwa bi share no. So once I kwa so me kwa I know about the Bible out to got him. Na kwa say na obi an kwa say asem na obi o say obi a kwa so na o ka say we just have to be very cautious. Positions and call for a panel. Yen said they are fit for set positions. Yeah. Answer ya 12. Yes, we'll be crying all the time. And yen who so say experience will be here. Experience achievement count and your experience stories. And if you be there because there's short time between time I have 12 for national officers no any general elections no the nipa no nya bi da fe no obesua how to even organize meetings how to relate to the region constituency who to talk to how to deal with chiefs how to deal with religious organizations national security IPAC electoral commission civil society organization that ben do anyway
Mayarga you name the position of the Speaker of Parliament on this office of the Special Prosecutor. Na omode bill at the Parliament say Article 959 no establishes Special Prosecutor no yin free ho. Pato tieni you and draw na mampani mahama ka say oh debi and yes say ye be Special Prosecutor na free ho no and draw no na ne two leaders of Parliament government leader of government business or parliament outside leader of parliament Mahama Yarga the virtual MP our tena cabinet mu na oni majority leader e de monsache krata say private members bill e de parliament yes scrap it yin free ho the same time na Justice Rimsai deputy attorney general na onu so use no social media abeka kire Ghana for say a private Ghanaian and so akosiu the attorney general say parliament eni ho kwan say otimi create office bia your friend a special prosecutor because article 88 of the constitution and the prosecutorial powers nyina e share attorney general sa nti obi akọ create office foforo bia say wo mo na enya na say etiamra me ba chofa attorney general post na odi announce just some side post na odi announce side do Facebook no fabra me wi a na ya boa MA expose no and you see a calculated attempt by the government say office of the special prosecutor no obeyi ni de obe scrap office in the free. But Mampani Mahama as usual. Or per se on the Oyana Hot say on ye bonida. Okay, Jenny Justice Srimsai, Deputy Attorney General, ne write up no any or say I can confirm that a citizen Noah E. Tete has sued the Attorney General in Supreme Court, suit number J132026. His grounds: Parliament has no powers to set up an office of a prosecutor, which is independent and outside the control of the Attorney General. His relief: an order to strike down the provisions of Article 959 that confer autonomous prosecutorial authority on the office of the special prosecutor or insulate it from the Attorney General's constitutional control. Eti Justice Simsai and na Eboy Amane say private Ghanaian be at the Attorney General Echo Court. Na Attorney General the Echo Court no or say Parliament e ninyina so bia say o create a different body and any other body a ono e be man prosecutorial authority a otimi edi nkrofo asem efa corruption and corruption related issue except the Attorney General and as a nipa no Attorney General any control on so enti sa office no yen scrap e enfan free ho enti nkrofo sha say bi say ore friend no Noah E. Tete Oyehwana. Now you see, Attorney General was very intelligent because only my dear Oyenti one trony panel din in full or tron din said Noah E. Tete. Okay, so yet you could have said Noah E. Tete no Oyehwana. Then we realize send din Eddie Noah Ephraim Tete Adamte. But omofa na you know Emra Noah no na emfa Emra hanti Noah ni din a friend Noah Noah Ephraim E. Tete Adamti na ne din eno no na wo hwa ampa Greater Accra ha sei na oye adwuma na law firm oye adwuma no na ewo ase no eye Petroleum Solicitors Unlimited nti eno no na owo ase na sa law firm wi munim yan ha say lawyers be na ye adwuma ewo sa law firm wi hifo any partners for the other one nebra ne say law firm we he for na adwuma pacho chamber no lawyers say adwuma members of the chamber first one Mrs. Joyce and Bawa Mutari ne wa o mean ne hami humpu. The second person on the list Justice Rimsai pacho share the last one na and also so emefa donko o share the other one na ye de ya tikina and also ye Noah Ephraim Tete Adamti. And she said private league person no yes wa ko see Attorney General no obia oni Attorney General no adwuma ewo office oni Mampani Mahama ne futufo e friend say Joyce Ba Mutari ewo the same law firm and you oni Justice Rimsai any madam a friend saying Joyce Ba Mutari amu nyina adwuma of the same office. In fact, Owie Law School 2020 ena okoho ekokoye adwuma. Enti Mampani Mahama obia onene Attorney General, Deputy Attorney General no ewo one office. Na oni Mampani Mahama futufo Joyce Ba Mutari ewo one office. Ena wakwako siu aban say on tiasia say ye created the office of the special prosecutor. Na Mampani Mahama the leader of government business in Parliament, and so the majority chief whip, and so Parliament a file a private members bill, say yenyi special prosecutor and free ho. Na Andra Mampani Mahama Asia Peace Council for I say a gentleman so for me dear office of the special prosecutor no me share for kasi entwam Debbie premature a branson ye see a jana of fast track prosecution no na enema etimi konkan the same time no na Mampani Mahama kroya ne nkrofo enso wo Supreme Court through a petition under Article 146 say kiseja ben yenyi free office nipa miensa enkrofo miensa the petitions miensa akwa mampani mahama eme wa forward the akwa chief justice make us say chief justice ehwem so betimi determine primary facie mampani mahama the majority leader or leader of government business or parliament na ono so ne majority chief whip parliament seeking say speaker any parliament was scrap the office of the special prosecutor. The same time na mampani mahama the deputy attorney general any presidential advisor and a special aide ono so nipa omonye ne office ono so akosiu aban say office of the special prosecutor no yen scrapping fan free ho. Then wo hwe niam ekoso ene niam dia kire yi you have no other option than to agree say President Mahama is a con man. You say or probate and reprobate. You say or you be a you say or intricacy say odinipa adwene ebeye adwuma. Inti in one breath for no say oh nim ho hwe oh dabi President Mahama de adabi me de ne ekoso nyina oh dabi too early. Meanwhile was set it up lay down nyina ho grand scheme nyina de ato ama actors within the system no activate all the schemes adwuma, and by hook or crook it will take magic to retain Kiseja Ben